Fingerprint recognition. Fingerprint. A special security feature of ViewBook Pro is the fingerprint recognition function. It can verify your identity when logging onto Windows. It can also help you input your passwords for instant messenger programs like MSN Messenger. You can even use it to create a ViewSafe virtual disk on your HDD, where you would store files that you wish to be hidden from others. Login system. The fingerprint recognition system enables faster and convenient login to Windows. Logging into your MSN Messenger or Yahoo Mail is more convenient and much faster using one swipe of the fingerprint scanner. Password Bank. With the Swipe 1 feature, for example, you can set pointer fingerprint to launch an application like a web browser. Once your pointer fingerprint is scanned, it would launch a web browser and go to a certain web page. All that with just one movement of a finger. Launch Express. You can set up the system so that each different finger can perform a different function. Windows Lock, Shut Down, Hibernate, Show the Desktop, or Activate ViewSafe function can load depending on which finger you scan. You can assign your fingerprint digital signature to correspond to a certain file, which you use regularly. Scanning a fingerprint would open this file. Encrypt File. This function allows for encrypting a file or a folder and prevents an unauthorized user to get access to your sensitive data. ViewSafe. ViewSafe is a virtual disk on your HDD where you can save your sensitive data. Once ViewSafe is disabled, it is impossible to see or to search for those files saved on the virtual disk. Scan your fingerprint and you can get access to them. Fast User Switch. You can switch quickly between users registered in your Windows system just by using the fingerprint scanner. You no longer need to manually switch user or do the log off, log on. View Sensor. ViewBook Pro has the built-in view sensor, which is a part of the ViewBook Pro security system to protect your hardware and data. If the ViewBook Pro is accidentally dropped, the view sensor will detect this and park the HDD heads to prevent a partial or a complete data loss on your HDD. Anti-steal mode. The view sensor built into the ViewBook Pro is also capable of performing a theft prevention function. Let's suppose you need to leave your desk for a while. You can enable the anti-steal function. Now, if during your presence anyone attempts to steal your ViewBook Pro, a loud alarm will go off.